What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and I am back with another video.
See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
As you can see from the title, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair for my wigs to get fast growth. I don't have any Jamaican castor oil. I've been ran out for like a minute now and I haven't got any. But my hair has still been growing because fast growing hair just like runs in my genes. I get it from my mom and my dad. They both had mad hair. So this is how I've been walking around for like a week now, because like ever since I got back from Atlantic City, I just like honestly did not feel like doing anything to my hair. So I've been walking around with a ponytail, and y'all, my hair grew OD. I would blow dry it, but I don't think that's necessary to do. Hold on, this light is like so bright. This light was never this bright to me before. I don't know why it's so bright to me now. But yeah, I don't think it's necessary to go ahead and blow dry my hair again, because it's just not necessary. But I don't really like doing a lot of braids, because who's taking that out? Not me. So I usually do about 10 braids total, 5 on each side, or I would do 8 braids total, 4 on each side. But today I think I'm gonna do 4 on each side, because yeah, I really don't feel like sitting here braiding my hair. Today I just had to get up and do my hair because yeah, I've been walking around like this for a week. This is not me. I don't walk around like this, y'all. Like, I've been really tired. I just don't feel like doing my hair, because it's a lot of work. But right now, I'm just detangling it from it sitting in that bun. And like I said, I blow dried it, so it's not as tangled, to be honest. But we need to get all them knots out, because if you don't get all the knots out and you braid your hair, when it's time to take it out, y'all, it's gonna be hell. It's gonna be hell combing through and everything. But yeah, it's about that time I started looking for somebody to just braid my hair up for my weeds, because this is becoming too much for me, y'all. This is becoming way too much, and I just don't have time. I don't have the patience. Like right now, I'm already hot from doing this. Like, I'm burning up right now. Maybe it's the light, but yeah. You guys, I know I've been slacking with the videos, but like I said, y'all, I just didn't feel like doing anything. Like, I've been tired, so. But I'm back now. Hopefully, I'm back. Nah, I'm back, y'all. I'm back with the videos now. I just needed a little break. A little tiny break. But okay, this is how my hair looks, y'all. When it's blow dried, it look way longer and straighter. But I blow dried my hair like a week ago, so of course. And I've been outside, and the weather been bad in New York, so of course it got frizzy and stuff. But this is how my hair looks right now. I'm gonna take a thumbnail. Okay, and don't look at my TV. I'm not watching that. Am I the only one who puts on anything just to fall asleep? Like, I put on anything. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle, because you guys know I always do middle part. So when it's part down the middle, I feel like you get a flatter install look, if that makes sense. Yeah, I don't really feel like braiding my hair, so I'm gonna only be doing 4 braids today. Oh my god, yeah, I feel like I can't even part my hair straight. What is going on with me today? Now that your hair is parted, hopefully it's parted into 2 correctly, because y'all know I don't struggle with parting my hair. I don't know what's going on today. Like, your girl is like really struggling right now, and I never struggle. What is going on? What is going on? Maybe the comb. Oh, it's hot. That little comb just was not doing it for me. Okay, so now that your hair is parted down the middle, you're gonna go ahead and put one side away. You guys should know how to do cornrows. If not, I'm sorry, this is not a tutorial on how to do cornrows. I don't really know how to teach somebody how to do cornrows. Like me, I learned by just watching. So hopefully there's a video out there that can teach you how to do cornrows. But like I said, yeah, I really don't know how to teach people how to do stuff. Like, I just learned by watching, so. But I'm gonna go ahead and make my first final part for my first braid. Like I said, once again, I'm only doing 4 braids, y'all. I'm not doing 5. I don't have time right now. I think I'm struggling right now because I'm doing this on camera. Like, I usually, what the hell? I usually don't struggle doing this. Like, I'm just so confused right now. But it has to be because I'm on camera. Like, that has to be the reason why. Got my first section. I'm gonna pin this away also. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding that first section. I don't really need a mirror to braid. I always get told when I do my clients' hair that I braid like really quick. I feel like I don't, but to them they say I braid quick, so I guess I braid quick, y'all. And with my braids, since my braids hang so low, y'all, I always do the connect method where you connect all the braids and at the end you only have one braid left. Because if I just let all my braids hang and then I try to figure out what to do with them at the end, it's not gonna work out and I won't have a flat install look. Like, it's gonna be real bulky. So I'd rather just connect all the braids so I can have a flawless look when I am done. So my first braid is done. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna braid that all the way to the end because like I said, I do the connect one. I do it the connect way. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this video up and I'll see you guys in the end. Okay, y'all, I am burning up right now. Like, it's like seriously mad hot. So I'm gonna do the rest on camera and show you the steps after because I can't right now. So y'all, I'm finally back. I feel like it just took forever to finish braiding my hair, y'all. But yeah, this is how it looks. I told you guys I do the connected method where everything is connected and nothing is hanging out. But I usually have one braid hanging out, but my hair has gotten so long. I can't. I gave up. Now, usually after I finish braiding my hair, I will go in with my Jamaican castor oil and put that all in my roots. I told you guys before in one of my videos, I never ever 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 like I said before in another video, y'all, I never ever change my braids. When I change my wigs, I just leave my braids in for like 2 months tops, and I always see growth. Like, I know with my hair, when I don't touch it, I feel like that's when I see growth OD. So like I said, I don't have Jamaican castor oil, but what I would do at this part is put Jamaican castor oil all down my roots. I have this Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil, promotes strong, shiny, healthy hair. Yeah, it helps eliminate dry scalp. I really have dry scalp. It helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. I never used this before in my hair, but it's been in my closet. Not my closet. It's been in this thing. So today I'm gonna use it because, like I said, I have dry hair and I need my hair to be moisturized because it itches already. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this This is the same thing I would do with my Jamaican castor oil. I just go ahead and put it all on my scalp. This better help. I never even heard of this brand, y'all. I don't even know where it came from, to be honest. Never bought this, but it's in my stuff, so somebody had to put it there. But already my scalp feels good. Like, it's not as itchy no more. That is it for this video, y'all. Oh, and with this, I just tuck it. I just take it and like tuck it in between the braids, and yeah, I'm done. That is it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share with your friends and family. On a road to 40K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.